dear students, welcome back to our EVS class. I hope you all are doing well. Now, you know that we have started our third lesson of EVS. What is the lesson name? Yes, do you remember that? Okay, the lesson name is My Body. In that previous session, we have discussed it with my friend Tina. She told us about her different body parts. Alright, can you tell me names of some body parts? Yes, there are different body parts such as head, torso and limbs. On head we have different body parts such as hair, eyes, nose, mouth, ears, cheek, chin, forehead and many more. Okay. Then a torso. What is the importance of torso? Yes, very good. A torso has a shoulder, a stomach and a back. Okay. Then can you tell me what are the limbs? Yes, our arms and legs are nothing but our limbs. Alright. Now you have to write name of lesson in your notebook as we are going to start today's session. So, first of all, write down the aim of today's session in your notebook. Okay students, see here. What is the aim? The functions of my body parts. Alright. The functions of my body parts. THE, the FUNCTIONS, functions. OF, of. MY, my. BODY, body. PARTS, parts. Alright. And the second point which we are going to learn in today's session, that is taking care of my body parts. Okay. What is the second point? Taking care of my body parts. So here TAKING, taking, care, of, MY, my, BODY, body, PARTS, parts. Alright students, I hope you all have learned the names and the spellings of our different body parts. If you have not learned the spellings, you have to learn it. Alright, shall we start with the lesson? Yes, let us start. Here we know that let us find out how different parts of our body help us. As we have different body parts, so they have different functions and they help us in different ways. Alright, so here we do some activities with the help of our body parts. That activities are nothing but eating, sleeping, exercising, running, walking, playing, reading, writing and many more. Understand? So see. We'll see one by one how body part help us. Alright. The first one is head. Okay. Our head, it has many important body parts. Alright. Can you tell me some body parts which are there on the head? Yes. See, these body parts help us in many ways. Here we have hair, forehead, eyebrows, eyes, nose, cheek, chin, mouth, ear. Alright. These are the important body parts of head. Now, we'll see one by one how these body parts help us. See here. First of all, our hair. What is the function of our hair? Can you tell me? Yes, our hair keeps our head warm and protected. Alright. What is the function of hair? Our hair keeps our head warm and protected. Whenever you fell down, because of your hair you could not get any injury. Understand? Okay. Now see next body part, that is very much important body part. Eyes. With the help of eyes we can see different things around us. We are able to see different beautiful colors with the help of our eyes. Understand? So these eyes are very much important for us, as we can see the beauty of world with the help of our eyes. Understand? Okay. Now see next one, that is ears. With the help of ears we can hear. With here we can hear properly. Okay. Now also you are listening. So it is the use of your ears. Understand how your ears help you to listen or to hear something. Understand? Okay. See next body part, that is mouth. Can you tell me what are the uses of mouth? Yes, in the class you are always talking. So this is the one important use of mouth. We can speak and eat. Do you like chocolates, ice cream? Okay, so with the help of your mouth you eat the chocolates and ice creams, and also we can talk to our friends with the help of mouth. Understand? Okay. Now see next body part, that is teeth. Do you have teeth? Yes, we all have teeth. And see how these teeth help us. Teeth help us to bite and chew the food. We know that whenever we put anything in our mouth, everyone say us chew it properly. Okay, that means we should use our teeth to chew that food properly. Okay. Now see next body part. Here the nose. Nose help us to breathe and smell. Okay. If you take a flower, you get a flower. Okay. What you do first time? Whenever you get a flower, you take smell and you say, wow, very nice smell. Which part do you use to smell that flower? Yes, you use your nose. This means our nose helps us to breathe and to smell. Understand? Okay. The next is neck. See here, our neck helps us to move our head around. Okay. What is the function of neck? Our neck helps us to move our head around. And with the help of our neck, our head is joined to the torso. Understand? Our head and torso are joined with the help of our neck. Okay? Now see next body part. That is trunk. Can you tell me what is trunk? Yes, a trunk nothing but a shoulder, chest, abdomen and back. It is also called as trunk. Understand? See, a trunk holds our different body parts such as our head, our limbs, that is arm and legs. With the help of our torso, these body parts are joined here. Understand? Our trunk holds these different body parts. Okay? So here it holds all our body parts together. What is the function of trunk? It holds all our body parts together. Okay? The next is limbs. Can you tell me what is meant by limbs? Yes, our limbs are nothing but our arms and legs. Here you can see arms and legs are known as limbs. So we can do many things by using our limbs, that are arms and legs. Okay? With the help of our arms and legs, we do different activities. Now see what are that help us to hold, eat and write. In this picture, you can see different uses of hand. You can use your hands to write, to hold. While eating also, we need our hands. Understand? So, these are the different uses of our hands. Okay? Then, see next. That are legs. Can you tell me? Always you are running in the classroom. So, which organ do you use or which body part do you use while running in the classroom or while playing on the ground? Yes, you use your legs. Our legs help us to walk, run, jump, climb and many things. Okay, what are the uses of legs? Our legs help us to walk, to run, then to jump, to climb. Okay, so these are the different uses of our body parts. Now we will see next body part, that is nails. It is also important body part. Our nails protect the tips of our fingers. What is the use of nails? Why do we have nails? To protect tips of our fingers. Understand? So see here. Here we have learned about different body parts and their functions. Now we will see that these body parts help us in many ways. So it is our responsibility to take care of our body parts. Understand? So here I want to tell you some points. In that way you can take care of your body parts. So here you should always keep your body parts clean. Okay? So how can you keep your body parts clean? Yes, you should take a bath by using soap. Then you should brush your teeth twice a day. Then you have to always wash your hands. Due to this corona pandemic, we all are suffering from many problems. So if we want to keep ourselves safe, what we have to do? Yes, we have to wash our hands up to 20 seconds and we have to always wash our hands by using soap. Okay, or if you are not having soap and water, then you have to use sanitizer to keep your hands clean. Understand? Before eating or before and after eating, you have to wash your hands. Then after each use of toilet, you have to wash your hands in a proper way. Alright? Then see next things what we can do to keep our body parts clean. Here we should always cut our nails and you should not bite your nails. So many students they have habit to bite nails but it is unhygienic or unhealthy thing. Okay, so you should cut your nails with the help of nail cutter. Okay, then after playing or after 2 to 3 hours, you should wash your face. Okay, then you should wash and comb your hair properly. Understand? These all things help us to keep our body parts clean. Okay, see next. To keep our body healthy or body parts active, we should drink a lot of water. Okay, so many students they do not drink water in a proper way. But if we want to be healthy and happy, you should always drink water. Okay, you should drink lots of water. Then see next thing. That is you should eat healthy food. But so many students they like to eat chocolates and packed food, but it is unhealthy. So you have to eat healthy food items which are cooked at your home and don't forget to drink milk. Understand? So here these things help us to be healthy. So you have to eat healthy food items which are cooked at your home and you have to drink milk. Understand? The students which drink milk, I like those very much. I give star to that students. Okay, see here. We must take care of our body parts by doing exercise. But see, you can play outdoor games to keep your body parts healthy and active. This doing exercise, doing yoga, playing outdoor games makes our body parts active and healthy. But so many students, they like to play video games and watching TV. But this is not healthy habit. So always you have to play outside game and do exercise. Understand? See. Now one important thing, that is some people which we can see around us. They means their part of body is not working properly. So some of them cannot walk properly, some cannot hear properly, some cannot see the things properly. So these people need our help. Understand? But some people, they make fun of them. Is it good thing to make fun of them? No. We should always help these people and we should not make fun of them. Understand? Okay. As you all are good students, I hope you will help such people and the things which I taught today, you will follow that. Alright? You should keep your body parts clean and active and all things you have to follow which I have told you in today's session. Understand? Okay. So, what you have to write in your notebook? You have to write names of body parts and their function. Understand? I hope you all have understood all these things which I have explained in today's session. If you have any problem, you can ask. We'll see next point in the next session. Till that time,